India first.
India first, yes.
So, आमोटा first of all देवागे चोड kurpa आणि बेसावा. It's a matter of pride and joy to represent India, and especially when the Indian women's team जी पळय qualify जाल्या in 3 age groups for the AFC qualifier. Senior women's team, under 20 आणि अंडर 17. सो हे पयले पार्टी 20 वर्सांनी 22 वर्सांनी अशें करून 1 वर्सा सगळ्यो टीम क्वॉलिफाय जाले आणि आमी एज एन AIFF वुमेन्स कमिटी चेअरपर्सन एक स्विडिश MOU आमी सायन केलेलो विथ स्वीडन आणि तो पळय कोच हाडलो. तो कोचूय एकदम बरो अँड ही इज मॅनेज टू qualify 2 teams, and the other coach is Crispin Chetri, who's managed to qualify the senior team. So जायत फुटबॉलान तो खबर आहा की तो वयर सकल जाल तें, पूण जी पळय चोड आहाय वुमेन्स टीम, they're really making our nation proud. And me being a part of FIFA, I think it's a great honor and I'm humbled, and we have to work towards building and making football more viable and qualifying at least once for the first time for a FIFA World Cup, which is definitely possible with the women's teams right now.
So इंडियातल्यान तू पयलेच चली आणि गोंयचे जाल्यार विचारीत नाका. सो
आणि बारकींचे.
सो कशे फिलिंग्स कशे आशिल्ले फर्स्ट मिटिंगेचे ते?
It was like a dream come true. आणि हांवें देखून चिंतून हांव फिफा कमिटी केन्ना पावतलें म्हूण, बट शिकयता की हार्डवर्क, पर्सिवियरन्स, रेजिलियन्स, डेडिकेशन, कमिटमेंट पळयता. आणि तेमी तेंगे फिफागे एक रिसर्च टीम आहलोलो, तेम पयलें कोण कोणा चूज करपा येते आनी ते पयलीं तेमी म्हाका चूज केलें. आणि हेजे फिफा जायत तुगेले टॅलंट डेव्हलपमेंट आनी सगळ्या जायत आदार दिता with funds. So I hope we can do something good for India, getting some probably academies for women's and all of that. Working towards it. It's too early to speak, but there's a lot of planning, and fingers crossed we can do something great for India.
गोया बद्दल किती डिस्कशन जाल्ले?
गोय बद्दल देखून एक हाडपा जाय न्हू रे एक अकॅडमी where you have boarding and proper system. So आता FIFA Talent Academy चोवपाक गेल्या ओरिसा एक हाडल्या, मागीर इंगाळो हैदराबाद, आता गोंय हाडपा जाय एक. So we'll work towards it and we'll definitely get it done. आता स्टार्ट जाल न्हू, the term is for 4 years. So there's a lot to do and we'll get it done. And it is like a incredible experience because all तुगे आख्खे संवसारा representative आहा. फुटबॉल म्हळ्यार इट्स अ वर्ल्ड स्पोर्ट, इट्स अ ग्लोबल स्पोर्ट. आनी जे पोरी तो लोक फुटबॉला पासत आनी देखून तुमी चोयला आसतलें उझबेकिस्तान क्वॉलिफायड फॉर द वर्ल्ड कप इन मेन्स, आनी इंडिया इज अ country which is 1.5 billion population, and there's something wrong somewhere that we are not able to qualify. So we have to make it happen, because to Isklaos, Hunios, Sogle, not just Goa, but all over India, they just love football. To get Bundesliga, La Liga, European League, Sogle, to get highest TRP to the Indians. So we have to really work towards where something is missing and, bridge that gap and see that the men's football also comes up like the women's.
तुम्ही कलवल सकल जाता, किती तुमकां किती दिसता, किती जावपा जाय?
बाबा पळय ते जायत आहलें एक MRA म्हूण आहलो पयलो, आनी तो 15 वर्सान सोंपलो, आनी मागीर तेंकोडे तो पोतोन करपा जाय आहलोलो कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट. बट फुटबॉलाक कितें जाता, प्रमोशन आनी रेलिगेशन मरे सारकें मस्ट. कित्याक खूंय वच तूं वर्ल्डाक, 3rd डिविजन आसा, 2nd डिविजन, 2nd डिविजन आसा, 1st डिविजन, एक फुटबॉल क्लब येता. बट जेन्ना प्रमोशन आनी रेलिगेशन आसना जाल्यार देर इज द फियर ना तुका. सो आतां ते प्रमोशन आनी रेलिगेशन पोतोन स्टार्ट केलां. सो आय एम होपिंग, कित्याक म्हाकाय बरें दिसना की फुटबॉल ना, कांय ना, लीग ना, कांय चलना. सो सोल्युशनाचे अजून चलताय अँड आय एम होपिंग दॅट द लीग स्टार्ट समटाइम सून.
मॅडम गव्हर्नमेंट इज स्पेंडिंग 150 crore फॉर ब्रिंगिंग मेसी इन इंडिया आणि खंय तरी तेच पयशे जर फुटबॉल डेव्हलपमेंटाक घालीत जाल्यार अशें.
You know, I personally feel that it's also the people. Like, I believe to see Messi, they have bought tickets for 10,000 rupees each. But it's sad that when the Indian team plays, or rather, you know, in the leagues, they're not willing to buy those tickets to go and watch them. So I think it's the perception, and no doubt, Messi is like, you know, god of football, and we all would love to see Messi and Ronaldo, but government and everybody should come together to promote the younger talent first, and we should create Messis and Ronaldos rather than, you know, because it's all about also how the people go and support all of this. So you can't just blame, you know, this or that, but आमी मोरे मनशां आमी चिंतपा जाय की आमी वचोन तांकां सपोर्ट करपा जाय, कित्याक हाल्या आमगलीं भुरगीं खेळटाय थिंगा फुटबॉलाक, आनी वचोन त्यो टिकेट बी घेवन जाल्यार कितकोन वयर सरतले.